Hey my little gems, hope you guys are fit and fine. In this video, I am going to start a new chapter of class 9, that is simultaneous equation. Guys, this chapter is going to help you to solve difficult problems of maths in your long run. So learn this chapter very carefully and make sure to see each and every video of this series so that you have a clear base of this chapter. This is a lesson 1 video of simultaneous equation, and here I will introduce you to simultaneous equation and I will teach you how to solve simultaneous equations using the method of substitution. So let's start today's session with full josh. Simultaneous equations are generally performed when in an equation you have more than one variable. Suppose you have two variables in an equation. Let's say x and y. In order to find x and y, you should also have two equations in your hand. Okay? Similarly, if you have to find three variables, you should have three equations in your hand. Okay? There are various methods of solving simultaneous equations. Mainly, you will learn three methods. Number one is elimination by substitution. Number two is elimination by equating coefficients. And number three is cross multiplication. In your class 9 syllabus, you have to equate the equations to find only two variables. So moving to the first topic, that is substitution. Now, in this method, you have to mainly perform three steps. Step number 1. What you have to do is substitute a variable with the help of another variable. Okay, you will be given two equations. You may perform this step in any of the one equation. Let's say given x plus y equals 10 and 2x minus y equals 3. So these are the two equations. You have to substitute one variable with the help of another variable. Let's say in equation 1, I want to substitute x with help of y. So x will be 10 minus y. Y will come this side and it will be 10 minus y. So next step, you have to put the value of substituted variable in the alternate equation. If I would have found the value of x from the second equation, I would have put that substituted value in the first equation. Here I have found from the first equation, so I will put it in the second equation. So what I will write? 2 into 10 minus y, because the value of x I have found is 10 minus y equals 3. Third step is solve the equation of one variable, that is this equation, to find that variable. And use its value to find the remaining variable. Okay, so from this equation you will easily get y and you will put that value of y here in the substituted equation. So from there you will get x. Okay, let me show you how to perform the method of substitution with the help of a problem. It will be more clear to you. So what is given? X plus y equals 7. This is first equation, and 3x minus 2y equals 11. This is second equation. See, you have to find x and y and you are given two equations. Okay. Now, from 1, what you can write, this is a substitution. That means you have to substitute a variable by another variable. So let us substitute y by x. So what will be the equation? Y equals, this x will go in the right hand side and will become 7 minus x. Okay. Let's say this is equation number 3. So this is the first step. You have to substitute one variable by another variable. You can do it in any equation. I have performed in equation number 1. If you suppose do it in equation number 2, you have to put the substituted value of y in equation 1. Since I have done it in equation 1, I will put the substituted value of y in equation number 2. So what you have to write, putting y equals 7 minus x in equation 2, we get 3x minus 2. In place of y, what you will write? 7 minus x. 7 minus x equals 11. So this is the equation of one variable, and now we can find y very easily. Let's solve it. 3x minus 14 plus 2x gives 11. 3 plus 2 will become 5. 5x equals 11. This minus will go to the right side and will become plus 11 plus 14. Or 5x equals 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 1 2. Or x equals 25 by 5, that is 5. Is x equals 5. Now we will just put x equals to 5 in equation number 3 and we will get y. Okay. So putting x equals 5 in 3, we get y equals 7 minus 5, because the value of x is 5 we have found just now. So y will be 7 minus 5 is 2. Therefore x equals 5, y equals 2. It's very easy, and you know this chapter simultaneous equation is going to have its application in many chapters of class 9, 10, 11, 12, graduation. Wherever you go, this simultaneous equation will be there with you, okay, as your best friend. So moving to the next slide. See, this is the solution which I have given. You can also take x equals to 7 minus y. Yes, I have told you, you have to substitute one variable by another variable. So similarly, you can substitute x by y and you have to proceed in the similar manner. First you will find y, then you have to put the value of y here and you will find x easily. Okay. So let me show you this in the next problem. Problem number 2, 1.5x plus 0.1y equals 6.2. This is equation number 1. And 3x minus 0.4y equals 11.2. This is equation number 2. From 1, now I will perform substitution of x by y. How? 1.5x plus 0.1y equals 6.2. Okay. 1.5x equals 0.1y will come to the right hand side and will become negative 6.2 minus 0.1y. And x will be 6.2 minus 0.1y by 1.5. Take common 1 by 10. So it will become 62 minus y. Here also you can take common 1 by 10 and it will become 15. 1 by 10, 1 by 10 got cancelled, equals to 62 minus y by 15. Just to simplify it. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now I will put this value of x in the second equation. So putting x equals 62 minus y by 15 in 2. We get 3. Here it will be 62 minus y by 15 minus 0.4y equals 11.2. Just simplify it and you will get the value of y. So 3 5s are 15. 62 minus y, 5 will be multiplied with 0.4. 5 into 0.4 will give 2. 2y by 5 equals 11.2. Multiply 5 with 11.2. 62. 2y plus y will give 3y and the sign will be negative. Equals 11.2 into 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. 5 1s are 5 and 1 decimal here. Move 3y to the right hand side and 56.0 in the left hand side. So 3y will become positive and 62 will remain positive, minus, because this will move to the left hand side, so minus 56. So y will be 62 minus 56 is 6 by 3, that is 2. Y equals 2. We have found y. Now we will put the value of y in equation 3, right? So putting y equals 2 in 3, we get x equals 62 minus y is 2 by 15 equals 60 by 15. 15 4 is 60. So x is 4. Therefore x equals 4, y equals 2. This is answer. So it's quite simple, right? In this way, if you have to find 3 variables, we will be given 3 equations and you have to solve like this by the method of substitution. So children, today up to this. In the next video, you will be learning how to do elimination by equating coefficients, and I will be of course explaining you all these things with the help of problems like I did today. So don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with your friends so that they also get an opportunity to learn this chapter. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll be coming with more amazing videos to make maths easy for you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time when I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Stay at home. Stay safe. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.